Be ready. Start. The instant revision has been filed seeking to challenge the order dated 9 February 2017 passed by the learned additional sessions judge Hisar, by which the order dated 7 September 2016 passed by the learned judicial magistrate first class Hisar, directing the petitioner to pay rupees 3000 per month to the respondent-wife has been upheld. Stop. In brief, facts as stated are that the respondent-Harsh Lata filed a petition under section 12 of the Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005, for short the Domestic Violence Act, claiming relief of maintenance. Stop. It was alleged that the respondent-wife was given severe beatings and was turned out of the matrimonial home for bringing inadequate dowry. Stop. The matter was referred to the Panchayat and subsequent thereto the parties arrived at a compromise and the police recommended for one of 13 cancellation report to be filed. Stop. The husband filed a petition for divorce before the court at Fatehabad, which was dismissed, and the appeal against the said judgment was also dismissed by this High Court. Stop. Since the act and conduct of the petitioner husband was such, the respondent wife filed a petition against the petitioner herein invoking provision of the Domestic Violence Act claiming maintenance. Stanza. Upon notice, the petitioner appeared and alleged that the parties had been residing separately since the year 2007 and therefore the instant petition filed after lapse of more than 6 years, that is, in the year 2013, would be barred by the period of limitation. Stop. It was further submitted that there is no report of protection officer regarding offences is claimed. Stop. It was further submitted that a false FIR number 733 dated 2 August 2007 under sections 498A 406/34 IPC was lodged against the petitioner herein, which stood cancelled, and in fact a petition was filed under section 125 of the Code of Criminal Procedure in which the respondent wife has been awarded maintenance rupees 4000 per month and therefore the petition ought to be dismissed. Full stop. The learned judicial magistrate first class Hisar, by order dated 7 September 2016, allowed the petition under section 12 of the Domestic Violence Act and directed the petitioner to pay maintenance rupees 3000 per month from the date of filing the petition. Stop. Aggrieved against the said order, an appeal was preferred under section 29 of the Domestic Violence Act, which too was dismissed by impugned order dated 9 February 2017, giving rise to the present petition. Stop. Learned counsel appearing on behalf of the petitioner contends 2 of 13 that the petition under section 12 of the Domestic Violence Act is not maintainable since the parties had been residing separately since 2006. Full stop. Over.